Hey, Rembo here. Welcome to my channel. One thing I want to do is, I never went over the helmet and how the helmet really survived during this literally 30 mile an hour only motorcycle accident. All right. So I'll put a thing above. I went down on my right. I kind of got body slammed onto my right side. I rotated my shoulder over, which is why my scapula was shattered and I had 5 broken ribs and blah, 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 and a collapsed lung. Anyway, you can see this is the AGV K6. Absolutely love this helmet because it's so light, okay? As you can see, this is what the normal side looks like on the left side, and this is the right side. So it looks like the vent was popped right off. I had some scraping that went right down to the undercarriage, or whatever the hell you call it here. This took a beating. What I find interesting here is that I have like 3 different directions that the scratches were in. And as you can see over here, and over here, and over here. So I hit my head pretty good. I have to tell you that. And I was kind of really loopy afterwards. I didn't remember much, so I'm pretty confident that's like concussion worthy. Then down here, my face must have just been scraping. Thank God I had a full face helmet on. If you look here, you can see how this is all ground down. And then, of course, here, where I did have the camera on, right? And you'll see that in the video. The camera did pop off. It broke this. And you can tell that this is one of these. I actually don't care for these, but they seem to work really well here. This is this 3D printing here. So anyway, so this was blown off. This was ground down. That's wasted. This thing popped off. This is probably the hardest part here that it really scraped away the most. But somehow it did its job. I mean, yeah, I had a bit of a concussion. I was really kind of out of it and didn't know. I couldn't even tell the guys what year it was. But this thing did its job, and I'm here as a testament to the quality of the AGV K6. Of course, I didn't replace it yet because I actually had 2 K6s, and I started wearing another one of my helmets because it's kind of better for moto vlogging. But this is the kind of damage from a 30 mile an hour crash where I was kind of body slammed onto my right side and then slid for a little bit, apparently. I had full gear on, and that's about it. So you can see the condition of this. It really held up well. It did a great job. This helmet will never be used again. And as you can tell, my whole thing here is a shit show. My garage is it's a complete shit show right now. I really let things go here. And anyway, thought you guys would like this. That's about it. This is the AGV K6. This is what's left from a 30 mile an hour crash. Obviously, you can't use it again, will not use it again, and that's it. So thank you very much. Have a good day. This is Rembo. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.